Spray foam near recess lights. I'm about to install new canless recess lights, but before drilling into the attic, I wanted to close a gap between an old ceiling and the new strap ceiling to prevent any mice from getting inside. So I used a low expanding foam. After I did it, I realized this could pose a fire hazard. Did I make a dumb mistake? And is there a way I could remedy it? Thanks for any help. Question from user Chester at Stack Exchange. Answer: that foam plug will need to be removed simply because there is no room to place the light and driver box that comes with most LED canless lights. Use the same tool you used for cutting the hole in the drywall and remove the foam. The light should be okay without anything on top of it. The driver box, if separate, may need something like a scrap piece of drywall to sit on. Some have holes that allow mounting with screws to wood frame members. As others stated, refer to the manufacturer's instructions, but an open area above the light is a given. Answer from user RM Demon at Stack Exchange.